Hey everyone, Mr. Browning M1911 here, and Backwoods Bob and Lucky will be over here in just a minute or two. We're using a different camera today. See how it works, and we're going to do another MRE review here. We're going to do a vintage MRE. Here I have the old brown bag, menu number 6, Chicken a la King. Okay, we're going to check out Chicken a la King. We'll see how Lucky likes that. I'm going to use my Ruco knife again. Here, get this baby open. Find out what year this one is from. Doesn't matter, it's going to be in the title anyway. Okay, well, look at that. I'm dropping stuff. Yeah. Okay. The bag smells pretty good, so apparently nothing has opened up throughout the time. Okay, this is going to be from the 90s. I can already tell this already because of the accessory packaging. So this one looks like it's from 92. 2099. So... hey, there's Lucky, and we've got the newer style MRE spoon. So yeah, this one's from the 90s. One package of cocoa beverage powder. Our dehydrated peaches. Always the best part. Our little Tabasco sauce. Crackers. And the vacuum seal looks pretty good, so these crackers might actually still be pretty good. We have here our beverage base powder, the large granules from back in the day. I'll put that there. And we got here peanut butter. Okay, peanut butter from 1992. Oh yes, I can already feel the hardness in the corners over here. So this one's going to have to be kneaded up pretty good. And then we've got our Chicken a la King. Okay, now of course as you see here there is no flameless ration heater. So we're going to end up eating this stuff cold. Lucky probably won't mind it. I'm going to go ahead and move this stuff over here so that Lucky can get into the shot. Alright. Let's go ahead and open up some of this stuff here and see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and open up our 1992 dehydrated peaches. Thing doesn't want to open. No, he got interested in something else right now. Okay, well, there is our... cats are hissing at each other right now. Let's go ahead and open up our Chicken a la King here. Like I said, we're going to eat it cold. So there's our Chicken a la King. Date code on this one here is 2006. So January 6th of 1992. That makes us how old? Let's see, that's what?
25?
Yeah.
25-year-old Chicken a la King. That wasn't too good at 92.
No, it wasn't. A lot of us did not like this here. I'm a bit amazed. You can see, I don't know if this camera that we're using here will, you know, show you anything there, but it smells really good. I mean, there's no overwhelming, like, you know, bacteria smell or anything of that nature. But it does look a lot like a, oh, I don't know what it looks like. Very creamy. That's for sure. Okay. Wow. All right. Let's go through the accessory packet real quick here. See what we get here. Okay, we get some Coffee Mate, our iodized salt, Taster's Choice coffee. Everybody in the military loved Taster's Choice, didn't they? Our John Wayne paper, book of matches, the Domino, sorry, sugar, our wet nap. That feels like it's still pretty wet. And then, of course, the horrid Chiclets gum. Let's check out the crackers. Let's see if we can get that nice. Oh, yeah, that was a really nice sound. They smell good. They smell really good. Getting them out of this thing, though, in one piece is another story.
Here he comes.
Yep, here he comes. All right. Let's go ahead and break off a little piece of cracker here. And we will go ahead and put some on a cracker here. There we go, boy. Okay. Now let's go ahead and make our beverage base. Yeah. I don't think he's liking it too much. Oh. 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 That's the lemon lime base. It's kind of a brownish color now. So we'll go ahead and pour it in there. Oh yeah, that smells rather, I don't know. It doesn't smell like the lemon lime it's supposed to, but okay, we'll get a little water in there. It's not turning the right color, it looks like. It's really kind of an oddball color. Just got to clean off the spoon here. Yeah, Lucky is not liking the chicken a la king. Maybe if I put a little hot sauce on there, maybe. Okay. The lemon lime drink mix is not mixing up well. Yeah, it's stinking pretty bad. You can kind of see how dark it is. There's ugh. Okay. Let's check out the peanut butter here. Oh, and I forgot about the charms. Everybody loved the charms back then. Alright. Lucky is not going to touch that chicken a la king. But I am the one that will. Alright. Okay, the peanut butter definitely is very liquidy still, so it probably needed a little bit more kneading. Okay, the peaches, again, we're going to do one of each, dry and wet. There we go. Don't need that much water. Yeah, we'll just get this out of here for now. Alright. Let's see how the cocoa beverage powder lasted here. I'll grab another cup here. Ooh. Yeah, it definitely smells a little off, but it's not a bad smell. Okay, I don't have any hot water with me right now, so we're going to do it cold here. Okay. I don't think there'd be anything wrong with getting a little peanut butter into the chocolate. Mixed up really nice. Alright. Well, one thing left to do is start taste testing here. Let's go ahead and get this coffee going. Again, I'll drink the coffee cold. The coffee looks really good. Still looks like the original. Okay, let's try the Coffee Mate. See how that looks. Doesn't sound good. Oh yeah, no. That did not survive. I'm not even going to use that. No way. And then we'll just get a little bit of the coffee going here. Don't need that much water. Uh-oh. Somebody's ringing my doorbell, and I'm not going up there to answer it, so. I don't know, you can probably hear the dog barking on the camera. Alright. First things first, let's do some taste testing here. Okay, where's my salt? Here's my salt, and here's my Tabasco. We'll see if the Tabasco lasted or not.
No, it's not looking too hot.
Yeah, it's kind of dark. I don't know, you can see it's kind of dark. Still smells like Tabasco though. Alright, let's go ahead and try our 25. Oh, I mean that, look at how it's just hanging off the spoon there. Ugh.
You are a brave soul.
Here goes nothing. Yeah, that's a... I probably should not have swallowed that. Wow. Well. Ooh, wow, that's way too much salt. Oh well. Let's try a little bit of... Oh yeah, that's really dark. That is really dark Tabasco sauce. That's...
It's like Chipotle.
Yeah, it does look like the Chipotle Tabasco sauce, and they didn't even have it back then. Alright. Here's another taste test. This is with the Tabasco and the salt. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that was disgusting. Oh, wow. Oh. The Tabasco sauce has kind of a rubbery taste to it. Oh, that's weird. Let's go ahead and try the, let's try the crackers without any peanut butter on it. Okay. Like I said, they smell really good. And they taste really good, actually. I'm impressed. Let's try it with the peanut butter. Peanut butter is actually really good. It helps get that rubbery hot taste out of my mouth. Okay. Well, let's try a piece of the fruit. The fruit tastes okay. I'll try it already rehydrated. And that tastes okay. Oh boy. Now for the drinks. I don't want to say what that actually looks like, but I mean, if I wanted to be oh god. Here we go. Oh god, no. Oh.
Tastes like it looks, huh?
Yeah. Oh, wow. No, that was horrible. Let's try the chocolate. The chocolate's actually pretty good. I'm amazed that survived. The chocolate is actually really good. Now let's try the coffee. Coffee probably didn't last very well, but it's drinkable. It tastes like an iced coffee. Go ahead and open up the charms here. Oh, I still got that horrible taste in my mouth from the hot sauce. Oh wow, look at that. These charms did not survive. Wow, that's just, yeah. Well, we'll try to get that top one out of there and see what. Oh no, look at all that. Yeah, and it smells disgusting. Oh, so the charms didn't make it. Either Lucky is not as brave as I am, or he's smarter than me. The Chiclets gum survived.
That's amazing.
I know.
Usually they're so hard and crunchy that they just break apart.
Oh, wow. All right. Well, I got to get this sticky candy stuff off my hands. We'll see how this wet nap survives. This wet nap is still wet. Wow. Usually after 25 years, these things dry out. But they're really, this one's good. Okay. Well, that's a Chicken a la King vintage MRE from 1992. Unfortunately, the a la King did not survive. Lucky would not even touch it. The crackers survived well. The dried fruit survived okay, pretty well too. The peanut butter, I was amazed, actually survived pretty well too. However, all three drinks, I definitely would not say that they survived. The drinks are just horrible. This one does look like something that belongs in the sewage system. The hot chocolate, it was pretty, it was okay. I mean, not the greatest. And the coffee, it kind of had some kind of a metallic taste to it. Granted, I have it in a metal canteen cup, but I know I wouldn't get a metallic taste from the canteen cup. All right. Well, this is Mr. Browning M1911, Backwoods Bob behind the camera, and Lucky out.